So far, what we have said is Schrödinger is using a mathematical formula, an equation, to combine the concept of wave and particle theory. And that's what quantum mechanics is talking about. He is using wave equation, wave equation. This is read as psi, Greek letter psi. By using this equation, we can calculate energy of electrons, and we can talk about probability of finding electrons in a volume around the nucleus. This volume can be spherical, can be dumbbell-shaped, it could be d orbitals or f orbitals. So you can solve this equation for hydrogen, as you saw, but you have to do approximation to solve the behavior of electrons in multi-electron system, because in multi-electron system, there is repulsion between electrons. In hydrogen, you have one electron, there is no repulsion. So energy of electrons is not affected by repulsion between two or more electrons. But you are not responsible for that sort of things. Let me give you an example. So the value of n can be integers 1, 2, 3, 4. They show size and energy of electrons. L is the value of angular quantum number. Its value can be 0, and then one digit larger 1, another digit larger 2. It goes up. Its maximum value is n minus 1. And m of L, the third quantum number that you saw, is minus L. This is L. Minus L, and then one digit larger. It gets to 0. And then its maximum value is plus L. This shows orientation of orbital. Another word, if the value of L is equal to 1, the value of M can be minus L. What is minus L? Minus 1. 1 unit larger, which is 0. Maximum value is L plus 1. So this is telling you, remember, L equal to 1 is p orbital. It's simply telling you you have 3 p orbitals. One is px, one is py, and one is pz. Remember, the p orbitals are perpendicular together. They are on y-axis, x-axis, and z-axis. So total number of orbitals is 2L plus 1. L was equal to 1. 2L plus 1 is 2 times 1 plus 1, which is 3. For L equal to 1, you have got 3 p orbitals. You have got 3 p orbitals. I hope this makes sense. Let me stop at this point. Oh, sorry. Before I go, what is the value of the spin quantum number? The spin quantum number can either be plus half or minus half. That means one electron is plus half in an orbital. That means it is spinning around its central axis in clockwise direction. The other one, if it is minus half, is spinning exactly in opposite direction. Again, we are going back between wave and particle.